Java is a popular programming language used for web development. With its robust and secure features, it provides a reliable platform for building complex web applications. Developers can utilize a variety of frameworks, such as Spring and Struts, to create dynamic and interactive websites. Servlets provide a powerful mechanism for handling requests and responses between a server and client. They can receive data, perform operations on it, and return the result to the client. Servlets are an essential part of a Java web application and can be used to create dynamic and interactive websites. JSPs are an extension of servlets and provide a way to build dynamic web pages. Developers can use JSPs to generate HTML, XML, or any other type of document. JSPs can be combined with Java code and other web development technologies to create complex web applications. Java frameworks provide a pre-built structure for building web applications. Frameworks like Spring, Struts, and Hibernate provide developers with tools for handling database connectivity, security, and web application flow. By using these frameworks, developers can reduce development time and focus on creating high-quality web applications. In this course, we will learn to build a full-stack website development with Angular and Java Spring Boot. Angular and Spring Boot are two of the hottest technologies for developing full-stack applications. These are hot skills and companies are desperately looking for developers. Some of the highest-paying job postings are for full-stack developers with Angular and Spring Boot experience. This course will help you to quickly enhance Angular and Java Spring Boot development skills. We will also use modern development tools such as STS, Visual Studio Code, Maven, and NPM. All of the projects are based on Maven and NPM, so you're free to use any tool that you want. During the course, you will build a full-stack e-commerce application. You will develop the code for the product catalog, shopping cart, checkout, and also will learn how to process credit card payments. The course also shows you how to add security to your application.